How to change country in Google Play Store. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your country in Google Play Store. So it might not work on some countries if you are from outside or inside the US and outside the Asian countries, then it might work directly for you. So since I'm from Asian countries, I don't have access to direct method for this, so I'll just show you anyway. So just click on your Play Store and just click on this profile icon over here, and then you'll have to click on this payment and subscription. And once you're inside here, just click on payment method from over here. And once you click on it, as you can see, I haven't set it any option for the payment method. So once again, you simply have to click on more payment settings, which will take you to the browser, and it will open a site, and you will be heading over to this page where you will have to click on this hamburger icon at the left. So once you tap on it, you will be seeing this option. So simply click on settings, and from over here just select the country or region option. And once you select it, you will have to create a new profile to change a country or region. And from over here just select any country which you want. And once you select your countries, you just have to provide your address line and confirm, and just click on the submit button to successfully submit and change your country in Google Play Store. So that is exactly how you can easily change your country in Google Play Store. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.